Oi, gente! Hi, everyone, and welcome to part 2 of my series on TH sounds. And I'll start off by saying that if you haven't already, go check out part 1, because I go into a lot more detail on how to form the TH sounds, and I also give a practice section. Alright, let's get started. How confident are you that you can say each of these words correctly? Well, don't worry, because this video is going to help give you a better idea. As an extra challenge, why don't you pause the video and try to pronounce these words? Alright, let's see how you did. Thought, through, through, throughout, thorough, thoroughly, though, tough. And now, what do they mean? How do we use them in English? Thought. It can be a verb, and it's the past tense of think. Example, I thought you were going. It can also be a noun. Are you having second thoughts? It can also be a past participle. Who would have thought? Alright, next word. Through. This word is often used as a preposition. For example, I walk through the park every day. Through also has other uses, but this is one of the more common ones. And then we have through, the past tense of throw. Example, I threw the ball. And then we have throughout. Throughout can refer to a period of time. For example, I do many things throughout the day, or he works all throughout the week. Throughout can also refer to an area. People throughout the country are upset by the results. And then we have thorough. This is when you do absolutely everything you can to complete a task. And as an example, after a thorough examination at the doctor's office, Tom was pleased to hear that he was in perfect health. And then we have the adverb form, thoroughly. Example, the police thoroughly investigated the crime scene. And now we get to the only voiced TH sound on my list, though. Though is kind of like a shortened version of although, and it can be used to show contrasting ideas. Or it can be used in the place of but and however. Example, I started my homework yesterday. I still haven't finished it though. Another example, I should know how this works, though I have no idea. And lastly, I have another word to show you that can be kind of confusing in the context of these other words. And that word is tough. Notice how GH makes a completely different sound with this word, tough. And one way this word can be used is to show that something is difficult. For example, learning English can be really tough. Alright, that's all the words that I have for you for today. Let's go over the pronunciation one last time. Thought, through, through, throughout, thorough, thoroughly, though, and tough. Thank you for making it this far into the video, and for that, you get the answer to the riddle from the last video. So what gets wetter as it dries? A towel. I hope that this was a helpful video for everyone, and if you're still having trouble, go back and watch this video again. And if you haven't seen the first video, go back and watch that one, because like I said, I give a little bit more detail on how to pronounce the TH sounds. And of course, if you like this video, be sure to comment down below for any other future ideas, and consider subscribing to help out the channel. Alright, that's it. Obrigado. Ciao.